when you go through the challenges with your spouse, with life or whatever, it gives you a precise measurement of the level of your emunah. It lets you know where you are. So this Chief Justice was letting him know that if you would have been married, see, you couldn't see this as a single man.
Yeah.
Only if you were married, you would have seen how much you needed to grow in this area. We were faced with a lot of different challenges financially. And in fact, earlier this year, it really, really hit us very, very hard. I lost my job, and it really, it
was actually 2 weeks before giving birth to our baby, our 9-month-old now. But and you would look at that and you would go, Hashem, like, why? Like, this makes no sense to me. Why would we lose a job during the most important time of having to take care of another child, right?
Yeah.
And just all those thoughts that come in. But then you sit there and you have to think and remember, okay, I trust you, Hashem.
Yeah.
I trust you. I believe that, everything is happening for my good. I might not understand the situation of why this is happening to me or the moment of why this is happening, but his timing is always perfect.